Now, what do USA Olympic athletes Michael Phelps and Alex Nador have in common? Well, they are both, and I'm sure they're not the only two, using something called cupping to treat their aches and pains. But what exactly is this that leaves that hickey-looking mark on their shoulders? Dr. Ed Lamadrid joins us this morning with Moss. He's getting the treatment as we speak.
He is.
Yeah, this is not new, of course. It's been around hundreds of years, correct?
It's a part of traditional Chinese medicine, and it's a technique that helps to boost energy, helps to boost immunity, but what the athletes are using for is more preventative. So what the cupping does is it actually releases that top layer of connective tissue, fascia, and so it allows the muscles underneath to move a lot more with efficiency.
Wow.
And it allows nutrients in and waste products out. So lactic acid gets pushed out a lot faster.
Show how easy this is to put it on. It's basically a plastic cup, and you've got this, and you suck the air out of that, correct?
That is correct.
Wow, that's it. Now, how many, so you would go where the pain is on your back. Like the swimmers and gymnasts, they obviously use their shoulders a lot, so that's why they have them on the marks on their shoulders.
They're trying to mobilize, they're trying to create more endurance, more strength in the shoulders, so that's why you'll see the gymnasts and swimnasts, all swimmers right around the shoulders and in the upper back.
I'm surprised. I wonder if other athletes, professional athletes, use it.
A lot of athletes, well, you know, if you look back at some of the other
they have their clothes on, so we don't see them like the
absolutely,
swimmers.
but other swimmers, like from the Chinese team, the Japanese team, you'll see these marks as well.
How many would you want to put on your body?
Depends on what type of muscle groups you're trying to affect. If you're just doing more of a rejuvenation type of technique, I'd probably put 2 more cups, so 8 cups altogether.
After my workout the other day, I needed 1 giant cup.
1 giant cup. 1 giant cup.
Oh, there you go. Wow. And so I asked you if you could do this yourself, obviously not on the back side, but on the front side.
But on the front,
if you had it, you could.
Yes.
And then you have these rubber ones that you just squeeze
and so
and
these
attach.
are actually sold for consumers.
Do they work as well?
They do.
They do. How long do you have to leave them on there for?
And you'll see the mark. Usually 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay. All right. Kylie had them all over her neck the other day. I'm not so sure that was the same thing. But anyway, that's another subject. I'm just teasing.
Oh, my goodness.
How much does it cost?
Usually a treatment like this might run you about $130, $150.
Yeah. And some people do it once a week?
Yes.
Wow,
yes.
Fantastic.
Yes.
We okay down there? He doesn't have a mic on, but he says yes. There's no pain involved. I think I've done it before. It's been a long time. You were doing it on my arm, so no pain whatsoever.
Nope.
And how long does it take before that mark goes away?
Well, it depends. So you'll see, here's the telltale mark. Depending on how toxic the person was or how strong the suction was, it might turn more purple, and so it'll resolve in a couple of days.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming in. We appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Really interesting.